Hi, I'm Dawn. In this quick tip, we'll look at 3 time-saving shortcuts in Microsoft Windows. Are you familiar with the Windows key? If not, you're missing out on some cool tricks that can help you to save time in Microsoft Windows. Number 1, go to the desktop. When you have multiple windows open, and that's probably all the time, it can take a lot of effort to minimize each window one at a time. For instance, if I wanted to get back to the desktop, I need to minimize this window and this one, and keep going, and keep going, and eventually I'll get to the desktop. Instead, regardless of how many windows you have open, simply press the Windows key and the letter D to minimize all the windows at the same time and display the desktop. Press again to restore the last window. Number 2, New File Explorer window. Anytime you want to open File Explorer or open another Explorer window, press the Windows key and the letter E for Explorer. This is a quick and easy way to create multiple windows to compare folders and files or to move or copy files. Number 3, lock your computer. In many organizations, it's policy to lock your computer anytime you leave your workspace. To quickly lock your computer, simply press the Windows key and the letter L for lock, and then sign back in when you're back at your computer. Try these 3 cool tricks in Windows. Windows D for the desktop, Windows E for File Explorer, and Windows L to lock your computer. In our next video, we'll share 3 more time-saving shortcuts in Windows. Look for these tips in this channel. Which of these Windows tricks will you start using? For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Windows, or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Windows. If this quick tip was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.